Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on pairing JBL speakers to an iPad. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Turn on your speaker and then tap the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. The Bluetooth button will flash when it's in pairing mode. Now open the Settings app on your iPad. In Settings, tap Bluetooth from the left sidebar menu. Then tap your speaker's name below Other Devices at the bottom of the Bluetooth page. Your speakers are now paired and connected to your iPad. You can tap the eye to the right of Connected to see more info. From here, you can tap Name to rename your speakers, and also disconnect your speakers or tap Forget this device to unpair them. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more JBL speaker tips and tricks.